Kitchen. Today I'm going to make ghee. These days I see that a lot of people are into ghee other than Indians because it's good for keto and paleo diet. So I see a lot of people buying it from HEB or Costco. These days Costco sells it too. I think Nanak is the brand. The store-bought ghee is little expensive. If you want fresh ghee, you can make it at home. What is ghee? Do you know what is ghee? Ghee is nothing but clarified butter. Traditionally in India, ghee is made from churning the cream of the yogurt or curd on the basically the top layer is called as cream. But here we don't get that cream, so we make it with butter. It's going to be same. I mean, although we make it with butter, it's going to taste same. In India, ghee is used mainly for three purposes. One is in Indian cuisine. It has medicinal values, so Ayurveda or traditional medicine uses the ghee. And the third one is in Hinduism. It's used for religious purposes. Let me talk about a little bit about religious thing. So in Hinduism, we lit diya, like kind of like a lamp offered to God with ghee, and we put just a wick in the ghee and then lit it. So that's very pious. We do that only with cow ghee. In India, we make buffalo ghee too. My personal favorite is buffalo ghee because it has more fat than cow ghee. As I said before, it's widely used in Indian cuisine. Basically, we make all desserts with ghee. I mean, like there is no Indian dessert made without ghee. And in some parts of India, they make curries with ghee too. I mean, that they are like really tasty and it's very rich. Process of creating ghee is into two steps. One is the water in the butter or cream has to be evaporated, and then we let it boil for some more time so that it gets that aroma and nutty flavor. Ghee usually has that nutty flavor, but the ghee color varies from light yellowish to brown color, and depending on the texture and color you like or aroma you like, you can make it. Today I'm going to make ghee in two ways. One like a traditional way where we boil it on the stove top, and the second way using instant pot. For me, using instant pot is really easy. So let us see both the processes. Ingredients are just butter. You have to take unsalted butter. I'm taking Land O'Lakes, but you can take any unsalted butter or sweet cream butter. Make sure that it's unsalted. Add the butter into the cooking pot. I'm taking steel one so I can see the color of the ghee. Boil it for like maybe 10-15 minutes. I love the aroma. So the water in the butter is evaporating now. And then we will boil it for some more time so it gets that aroma and nutty flavor. The milk solids are left at the bottom. Now we need to strain the ghee. I'm going to make instant pot version also now, and then strain everything together. This is the easiest method to make ghee. If you have instant pot, just take out the butter cubes and put it in the instant pot. Close the lid and put it in the soup function for 15 minutes. That's it, guys. See how the milk solid has come up? It's still in the yellowish shade. Actually, ghee has to be brown when it's melted. So let us cook it for some more time. So to get that brown color, I'm going to cook another 5 minutes without closing the lid. It's the same soup functionality and 5 minutes. Ghee has to be nutty flavor. See friends how it looks. So when the foam forms on the top layer, that's when you know that it's done. See how brownish it is? This is how the ghee looks. So now let's strain it into a airtight jar. I'm gonna use mason jar. You guys can use any airtight jar. Now I'm going to strain this. We need to let it cool down. It naturally solidifies at the room temperature. After a few hours, this is how it looks. So this is on the little brownish shade because I like the ghee to be on the brown side. The color depends on the time
you cook the butter. If you like on the yellowish side, then cook it a little less time, and I like this way. Okay guys, ghee is ready. Typically this is how ghee looks. It's good for 3 months if you leave it outside, but if you refrigerate it, it will be good for a year.
Thank you friends for watching my video on ghee. In any dessert I make, I use ghee. We in India traditionally use ghee for all desserts. So you can refer to this video if you would like to make ghee at home, which is more economical. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page for more videos. Please be kind to other human beings, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.